Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to set digital time and date as well as sync analog time on this Skmei 1220 model watch. So if you also have got this watch and want to set time and date, this video will be very helpful. Let's get started. The very first step is you have to come in timekeeping mode in order to set time. This is timekeeping mode. If you are in different function, press this left side down button. This is date function. This is alarm. This is dual time mode. Press one more time. This is stopwatch and this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here to set time, you have to press and hold this right side down button for 2 seconds like this. After pressing and holding for 2 seconds, you can see here the seconds have started blinking. To reset this, press left side down button. So whenever I press this, it makes second 0. After this, to adjust hour and minute, press right side down button. As you see here, the hour have started blinking. Press left side down button to go ahead. Currently nothing is mentioned on the digital display. This means we are in AM. If you continuously cycle through this hour, you can see here, you can even reach towards PM. So after adjusting hour like this, to adjust minute, again press right side down button. You can see here minutes have started blinking. Follow the same step. Press left side down button to go ahead. After this, we will get chance to select hour format. Press right side down button for that. You can see here 12 hour is blinking. It means we are in 12 hour format. If you press left side down button, you will go towards 24 hour. Press that again to come back. Now to fix this time, press right side down button. So this is how you can adjust time. Now to adjust date, you have to go in date mode at first. Currently we are in timekeeping mode. Press this left side down button. This is date mode. After understanding how to set date, I will also help you to sync this analog time later. So keep watching this video. Now after coming here in date mode, you have to press and hold this right side down button for 2 seconds again. As you see here, after pressing and holding this right side down button for 2 seconds, the month have started blinking. Use that same left side down button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust month. Now to adjust date, press right side down button. You can see here date have started blinking. Use this left side down button to go ahead. Now to adjust days, press right side down button again. You can see here Monday is blinking. Press left side down button to go ahead. Here you will not get a chance to adjust year. So we will just adjust month, date and days of a week. Press right side down button at the end. So the date is fixed and the time is also fixed. Now let's understand how to sync this analog time with this digital time. Currently it is showing 4:31 PM. Press and hold this right side top button. As you see here, this is showing some other time. We have to adjust it. So 4, hold it and press one by one. So this is 4:30:31. This is how you can adjust analog time with digital time. If you find this video helpful regarding this watch, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also comment below what video you want next. Thank you very much for watching till the end.